What is wine? Wine is made from fermented grape juice. Grapes are picked, crushed and placed in buckets or vats to ferment. The process of fermentation turns the natural sugars in the grape juice into alcohol. Fermentation can occur naturally, but sometimes winemakers add yeast to help control the process. The crushed grapes are put through a press, which removes the skins and other sediment. Whether this step is done before or after fermentation, along with grape color, determines whether the wine becomes red or white. To make white wine, grapes are pressed before fermentation. Red wine is usually pressed after fermentation. After this step, the wine is aged in stainless steel or oak barrels until it's ready to be bottled.